Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity on your iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device or any Android. If you are using any device and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to log in with your Snapchat account, you might get a this type error on your Snapchat. So let's see how can you easily fix that error. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and you have to open your settings here, go for general here, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that there is no any VPN connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, and after doing that you just have to go back and go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, then select reset network setting. From the confirmation message pop-up, it will reset all of your network setting. It will not let you delete your data. So you can easily try this, and after doing that your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, open your app store here, go for search, and you have to simply search for Snapchat. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Snapchat app. If you find pending update, try to update your Snapchat. Then go back and here open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you can also do this app. Go for Snapchat, go for tab on offload app, and then tap on offload app again. It will offload your app. So if there will be any bug into your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this app, and after that you just have to reinstall the app. Or if you're still facing the same issue after doing that, you just have to open your browser here and you have to search for Snapchat Sport. So open the first website from here, and you just have to scroll down and look for the option of contact us, tap on it, and here select I can't access my account, and then select I think my account was compromised. And here you have to tab on click here to contact us or our support team. So tab on it, and here you just have to add some details. You have to add your username and your email address here. Tab on enter your mobile number, and then you have to enter a descriptive paragraph which describe your issue. And after doing that, you have to tab on submit. It will submit your report to Snapchat team, and they will respond to you in up to 24 hours, and your issue will be fixed after that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.